Why is it important to know how to ignore a woman? Powerful female psychology. Hey there, it's Anna. You might be thinking, ignore a woman? Isn't that the opposite of what I should do? But hold on a moment, because today we are diving deep into the world of attraction dynamics and we'll shed light on the seemingly counterintuitive strategy of occasionally taking a step back. By the end of this video, you will understand why mastering the art of purposeful distance can sometimes be the key to drawing someone closer. Ready to unravel this mystery and harness the power of calculated indifference in your dating life? Let's delve in and elevate your game. Build intrigue and mystery. As the saying goes, familiarity breeds contempt. While this isn't always true, in the initial stages of attraction, a little mystery can go a long way. If she can predict your every move, the excitement can wane quickly. By being slightly unpredictable, maybe by not responding immediately to every text, or by having other plans occasionally, you keep the intrigue alive. This can make your interactions more exciting and keep her looking forward to the next encounter. Independence is attractive. While it's great to show interest in a woman, it's equally essential to have your own life and interests. If all of your plans revolve around her, it can be burdensome. However, if she sees you have your own passions, hobbies, and commitments, it indicates that you are a well-rounded individual with an independent streak. This can be very attractive as it shows her that while you are interested in getting to know her, you are also someone with depth and your own identity. Value self-worth. When attracting someone new, your self-perception plays a significant role in how you are perceived. If you are constantly available or always initiating, it can come across as desperate. By understanding your worth and not being afraid to step back at times, you project confidence and self-assurance. This not only raises your value in her eyes, but also ensures that any budding relationship starts with mutual respect. Maintain personal boundaries. In the initial stages of getting to know someone, it's crucial to establish boundaries. This helps in preventing misunderstandings later on. By ignoring certain behaviors or situations that cross your boundaries, you are setting standards for what you'll accept in the relationship. This not only protects your emotional well-being, but also communicates to her that you have clear values. Avoid seeming desperate. It's natural to want to spend a lot of time with someone you are attracted to. However, always being available, responding instantly to every message, or constantly initiating contact can be interpreted as desperation. This doesn't just lower your perceived value, but might also make the other person feel pressured. By ensuring you aren't too available, you maintain a sense of self, which can be more appealing. Reigniting initial attraction. The early stages of a relationship or dating are filled with excitement and curiosity. Over time, if you are constantly in each other's company, this novelty can wear off. A little distance at times can make the heart grow fonder. It reminds both of you of the initial attraction and how you feel in each other's absence, rekindling that initial spark. Gives both space to reflect. When you are constantly with someone or thinking about them, it's easy to get caught up in that whirlwind of emotions. So taking a step back and giving each other space can offer a clearer perspective. It allows both to reflect on their feelings, desires, and where they see things headed, ensuring that any subsequent steps taken are more measured and considered. Maintain other relationships. It's a misconception that when attracting someone new, they should be your sole focus. In reality, showing that you have other meaningful relationships can balance your time and showcases maturity. By maintaining your relationships with friends, family, and peers, you display a well-rounded character, emphasizing that while she's important, you have other essential people in your life. This not only makes you seem grounded, but also indicates that you are capable of fostering and maintaining multiple healthy relationships. Prevent burnout. Every relationship, no matter how passionate, has its ebbs and flows. Just as a candle burns brightly but can't sustain its flame indefinitely without moments of rest, so too can relationships benefit from periods of distance. By taking the time to rejuvenate and focus on oneself, you prevent the relationship from becoming overwhelming or feeling smothering. This ensures that when you do come together, the interactions are more meaningful and refreshing. Improve emotional intelligence. Understanding the need for space isn't just about benefiting the relationship, it's also about personal growth. By recognizing when it's time to step back, you develop a better sense of emotional intelligence. You become more attuned to the needs of your partner, recognizing when they might need some time to themselves or when they might be feeling overwhelmed. This ability to read and act upon emotional cues is invaluable in forming that deep emotional connection. Strengthens connection long term. Yeah, might seem contradictory, but relationships often strengthen in the moments of absence. It's in these moments that individuals reflect, reminisce, and realize the depth of their feelings. By ensuring that there's an occasional distance, you allow for these moments of reflection, which can ultimately lead to a deeper appreciation and connection over time. Demonstrate self control. In the age of instant messaging and constant connectivity, it's tempting to always be present, always being available. However, showing restraint, not immediately responding to every message, and giving space demonstrates that level of self control. It shows that you're not led purely by impulse, but make deliberate decisions. And this self control and maturity can be highly attractive, showcasing your stability and thoughtful considerations in your actions. Can reset unwanted dynamics. In any relationship or budding connection, patterns emerge. Sometimes these patterns can be less than favourable, leading to misunderstandings, assumptions, or unhealthy dynamics. So, by consciously deciding to step back and reassess, you have the opportunity to break these patterns. This hiatus can be a chance to recalibrate, allowing both individuals to return with clear intentions and understanding. Protects emotional well-being. Your emotional health should always be a priority. If you find that interactions are becoming overwhelming or mentally draining, it's crucial to recognize and act upon these feelings. Ignoring when necessary isn't about being cold or distant. It's actually about self-preservation. Everyone deserves space to breathe, recharge, and return to any relationship with renewed clarity and emotional resilience. Avoid oversaturation. Too much of a good thing can often dilute its value. This concept is especially true in the initial stages of attraction. Continual interaction without breaks can lead to over-familiarity, where the novelty and excitement of discovering someone new can actually wane. By ensuring there's a balance between connection and space, you preserve the intrigue and allure of the relationship. Increases desire for quality time. When time together becomes a rare commodity, its value often increases. Periods of absence can lead to a heightened appreciation for the moments you do share. So instead of taking interactions for granted, each shared experience becomes more meaningful. This can foster deeper connections, more genuine laughs, and a heightened sense of intimacy as both individuals come to treasure the time they spend together. Growth through independence. Now, in the journey of personal development, there are times when solitude is essential. Individual experiences, challenges, and learnings enrich personal growth. Now, when both parties in a relationship pursue independent growth, they bring back the relationship a richer tapestry of experiences, enhancing mutual understanding and depth. It's the idea that two whole, independently evolving individuals can create a more profound, more harmonious bond. Avoid becoming a backup option. Continual availability can sometimes inadvertently position you as a fallback, someone she can rely on when others fall through. So by valuing your own time and ensuring you're not always on standby, you send that clear message about your worth. Now, it's essential for both parties in any connection to understand that each individual's time and attention is valuable and should never be taken for granted. Re-establish respect. There might be instances where the dynamics of respect become imbalanced. Perhaps one party feels taken for granted or undervalued. In such cases, just taking a step back can act as a reset button, providing an opportunity for introspection, allowing both parties to understand the importance of mutual respect. So by setting clear boundaries and knowing when to create space, the foundation of mutual respect is fortified. Understand mutual value. Sometimes the daily grind of life can obscure the bigger picture of why two individuals felt a connection in the first place. A brief period of distance can offer a clearer perspective on what both parties bring to the table. It's an opportunity to miss one another, to understand what's genuinely valued in the connection, and to rekindle appreciation. It's a reminder that every connection is a two-way street and both parties contribute something unique and valuable to the relationship. So now that you grasp the power of ignoring in female psychology, are you prepared for the test that she'll silently throw your way? Or perhaps discover the subtle indicators you are turning heads without realizing? Your next guide awaits, and if this sparkled your interest, don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button for more.